Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we do have a bit of a range forming on the lower time frames here, but I see we have closed below that range on the daily, and that is fairly significant. So at the moment, trend is still down. We do have quite a bit of support coming up, and we also have a gap. So I'm just going to move this level onto the daily gap down to the bottom here, and the DAX and gaps, I mean, it typically treats them as proper magnets, so they do close sometime or other. So at the moment, if you look at the 3 hour, every rally has been sold into, which is kind of what you're expecting. And yesterday, this is the level we were looking at here, which was 14,040, and we definitely sold off that level again. So if you have a look at it here, you'll see we opened in that area, broke away, came back, and then rejected it. We probably were going to only see this on the lower time frames, which we'll have a look at now. For me at the moment, there's just one other level that I want to keep sort of visible, and that is this area 13,838. So 13,838 and 13,769. Pull back into that area, be looking for an opportunity to sell off that. Just bear in mind this may turn out to be a double bottom it forms, and if that is the case, then you just need to look where price will go based on that, and that would be all the way up basically to this area here. So that would be around 13,957 or 1400. So another attempt at 1400 is possible today. We do have non-farm payrolls today in the US, so that's probably going to impact us. I would expect us to range about until that happens. But pay attention to those levels, because there's definitely some opportunities there. So let's just look at the 15 minute. And first things first, the first level I gave you yesterday, which was 1440 area. And you can see that's pretty much where we rejected. Nice juicy pin bar off that level. That was a fantastic trade all on its own. 107 point stop loss, and I mean, you would have waited for the first pullback. You could have taken profit as soon as you started seeing these tails here, and that's already 300 points, or you could still be in waiting for the second push down. But yeah, that's kind of the view I've got at the moment. Looking for pullbacks up to 13,769 and 13,838. Somewhere in between there, I'm looking for price to get back into that area for a decent pullback. Just watch out what I said about this being a double bottom. Very possible there is a bit of divergence on the 15 minutes, nothing on the hour. So it would, if it does form a double bottom, it's not a reversal, major trend reversal. It's more of a pullback onto structure and then another move down. So if we do get through these levels, then 1400 is definitely the area to be waiting for another move to the downside. So that's kind of the view that we've got. Trend is down, you should be looking for opportunities to sell. You don't want to be selling off the lows, you want to be selling off the highs. So any pullback needs to be sold into. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.